So what we've done today is we've done a nice layer all over all of the gardens of our worm castings. And in order to do that, all I do is I take my spade, got some lovely worm castings in here. Now if you remember about the worm castings, worms eat garbage and poop out magic, and that's what worm castings are, worm poop. So we're going to put a nice little layer all over the garden, and then use your hands to just work that into the soil. Make sure you get around all the base of the plants. And this is just a good overall pest deterrent because it's helping to add those micronutrients and good bacteria back into the soil to make the plants healthy. And then of course you're going to water that in. And so you know, once the plants have all the nutrients that they need, the proper sunlight and the proper irrigation, then they're going to have less issues with pests. So the worm castings, when you're starting to see a couple different issues in the garden, are just a really good standard act to do for defense throughout the whole garden. And that's part of your